Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be working on the living room and the dining room, and I'm going to be painting the living room walls, and I'm going to be wallpapering that dining room section there on the left. Now I have been searching and searching for the proper wallpaper design that I wanted for that area, and I finally found it. So I'm really excited about putting that up, and you're going to see me do that today. Now I also took some time to take the baseboards up as well. Now, the baseboards I had before were fine, but I happened to run across some as I was shopping for some other things for the dollhouse, and I like the ones that I've gotten now far better. Now, the ones I had before were some flat back dowels that I had, and these are 1/8 inch. And so I took those up, and so as I said, the ones that I have now are going to work out so much better. Now I'll go ahead and show you what those look like, and I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in getting some of these, but I think they came like 25 to a pack. So in the process of me taking up the baseboards, a little bit of destruction happened, and in this area here, I'm going to have to patch that up, and I'm going to take a little bit of foam board and put right in that little area there, and then I'm going to have to patch up the back part of it too, and I think I might just put a little bit of cardstock on there as well, and then paint over it. And of course the baseboard will go up there. So let's get started. I ended up having to take the whole second floor up, and I turned it upside down. Now, this section here is going to have to be glued down, and I'm going to try to hold the camera and to show you exactly what I'm going to do at the same time, but just bear with me. I'm going to have to tack this down and hold it down as best I can to glue that down. And I'm probably going to perhaps put like some cardstock on here to close it up, but this is what it's looking like on the reverse side. So I'm going to probably just do the same thing here all the way down, and that's not going to take up that much time to do. But when I was working on the patio doors, just kind of working on the back part of this a little while ago, I did a little bit of patchwork here, and I put some foam board there, and it worked out pretty well. Now in the future, I'm going to be putting either some stone or brickwork on the outside to make the house look complete, but that's pretty much what I have to do now. And you can see some of the battle wounds on the foam board on the bottom, because it's been moved around quite a bit as I've been working. But so this is what's going on back here. So this is what the back is looking like now. And after I put some tacky glue down, I put some super gel glue down. And so that's going to stabilize that. And that turned out very well. And then I also cut 3 strips of poster board to put on the back to close up this area and to give it a cleaner look. And I'm going to go all the way down to the end here. These are the wallpaper selections for the dining area, and originally I planned to go with the one on the left, but ran across the one on the right, and I like that far better. And it's very nostalgic, and it's very fitting for the decor of the dining area and the living room. So I really like that, and so that's the one I'm going to go with. Also, I went ahead and I painted along the walls and applied all of the poster board trim there, and then I painted. And then also I wanted to mention to you as well, you probably were wondering what all those spots are on the walls, and that's from the museum wax. So I was just getting kind of a feel of where everything was going to go, and then in just doing so, it kind of left all of this kind of a mess. So I've cleaned all that off, and everything's prepared to be painted. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I've already put one coat on. And as I said, that was a little while ago. So I'm going to be putting the second coat on. Now, the color that I chose was from Waverly. And this is Cashew. And this is a beautiful color. The pieces are dry fitted to the wall first, then will be glued together at the connection point in the middle, then glued to the wall. The baseboards are applied to the wall. Now that the wallpapering, painting, and baseboard application are all complete, it's time to put carpet down. And for the longest time, I've been wanting to put carpet down on the living room floor, but I hadn't been able to make up my mind on the coloring or style that I wanted. So I went to Lowe's yesterday and I picked up this package of self-stick carpet tile, and they come in 10 pieces per pack. And there wasn't really a large selection. There was a black, and I think there was like a charcoal gray. And I got a little help from one of the people there at Lowe's, and this dark navy was recommended. So I think this is going to work out pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. And I don't think I'm going to need but maybe a couple of pieces, since this is 18 by 18 inches. So I'm going to see just how all this is going to go. But the best thing about this is that I like the fact that that you can peel off the back, and this can be put down on the floor. And then whenever in the future that I want to either put more of this down or change another style of carpet, or maybe a tile, then I can do that. And this will, I'll be able to easily pick this up. Arrows on the back act as guides to the direction of how the carpet is to be laid. First, I used a marker, then a pencil to mark off where to cut the tile. Once the carpet was laid down, the front edge was finished with poster board. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a like, and don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe for more fabulous videos. Until we meet again, thank you so very much for watching.